Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dusting. First, unplug your DYSON SV14 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Start by removing the dust canister. Press the release button located on the top of the canister and pull it away from the main body of the vacuum. This will give you access to the filter compartment. Next, locate the filter at the top of the canister. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it. It's essential to clean the filter regularly to maintain suction power. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear and allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinstallation. While the filter is drying, let's move on to the trigger. To replace the trigger, you'll need to remove the screws securing the trigger assembly. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the two screws located on the side of the trigger. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger assembly away from the vacuum. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Now, take your new trigger assembly and align it with the mounting points on the vacuum. Push it into place and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's tightly fastened to avoid any issues during operation. After replacing the trigger, check the filter again. If it's completely dry, reinsert it into the canister by twisting it clockwise until it clicks into place. Ensure it's secured to prevent any air leaks. Before reassembling the dust canister, take a moment to clean the interior of the vacuum. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the efficiency of your DYSON SV14. Now, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the main body of the vacuum and pressing it back into place until you hear a click. Your vacuum is now ready for use. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, plug your DYSON SV14 back in and give it a test run to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Regular maintenance like this will keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.